To enable or disable call translations in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter the Honor AI, and then we can scroll down to the AI call translation. Now you can activate this option, and then when you're in the call, there will be a specific window which will show you translation. So first, also here you need to pick the language that you're using. So for example, we can go for English, and then you can also change the voice type for the text to speech, and you can enable mute original audio. That way it will mute the original audio of a person speaking and you will only hear translation. Now you can also adjust the other person language voice, and also you can mute original audio and translation audio as well, and you can download the offline translation models if you don't have the VoLTE calls, and this will help you to translate any call. Of course, when you're in the call, there will be specific menu for call translation that you'll be able to use. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.